In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Boland TVET College Career Guidance Questionnaire. First, go to www.gostudy.net/Boland and click on Questionnaire. Click on Global TVET College Questionnaire, Start Questionnaire, and Begin. First question, work as an electrician. I either tick it or I cross it. If I tick it, it means I like it. If I cross it, it means I don't like it. Very simple. Be a daycare mother at a preschool. If I tick it, I like it. If I cross it, I don't like it. Simple as that. Go through all the questions. There are 75 of them, and answer them either a tick or a cross. There are no time limits to this questionnaire, and there are no right or wrong answers. Once complete, you'll get a bar graph just like this, with your highest fields at the top and your fields that you have no interest in at the bottom. Your highest fields, obviously, you're going to start by looking at. In my case, I've got the human resources and travel and tourism, followed by marketing. So perhaps I'm going to start looking at these fields. So if I click on the field, I get a list of careers. So here I have different careers. I can then select a career, and I can read up on that career, what it's about, personal requirements, employment, getting started, programs. At Boland College, there's a human resource management program, which I can select. This takes me through to the Boland College website, where specifically the human resource management page is. So I now am directly on the right page for human resources. I have a good idea, and I can read up and find out more about exactly what this course is about at Boland College. So that's the idea of the program. We go backwards and forwards. We can find out more. Maybe I can look at some of these other careers. I can maybe select some of the other fields, read up more on them, and find more information about the courses relating to my interests. As a student, I might now want to email my results to myself, print them out, or save them. So I'm going to email the results to myself, put in my name, my email address, and click Send Results to College. This will automatically send you a copy of your results and the college a copy of results, so they can get back to you and let you know about the courses and more information. I'm now going to go back to the home page. You'll see there are some other buttons here which you can use. You're welcome to explore. You have now a good idea of what courses you are interested in studying at Boland, and this information will help you in your career journey. If you need more information, contact Boland College. If you'd like to, subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best.